In this video, I will show you how to connect Tradingview to Bybit. So the first step is to simply go to Tradingview and then you're gonna have to open a super chart. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to open the trading panel. So as you can see, it's down here at the bottom of the screen. So simply click on it. And then what we're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down until we see Bybit. Now, if you can see it in this section, you can simply click on all brokers. And then what we're gonna have to do is simply scroll down. And as you can see, it's down here. So simply click on it. And then we're gonna have to click on the connect button. Then we're gonna get redirected here. So what we're gonna have to do next is simply log into our account, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.